Hey traders, I just wanted to review the TrueTrader.net scanner. Now you might have seen TrueTrader.net's ads and watched their webinar, but I just want to kind of give you my impressions of the scanner for today, August 25th, 2020. And so I used their scanner on a different screen, and I really can't show the results there because they're proprietary. But what I did is I'm experienced in some coding. So in TradingView, which is a charting platform, I pretty much duplicated the results they're looking for in the scanner. And these are the results I got from this morning, starting at market open. I'm here on the West Coast, so it started at 6:30. And I just want to show you some of the results I got. Now, their scanner pulled up a lot more than mine. I have to manually enter the tickers that I want to follow, where their scanner scans the whole market. But I just want to say you get this scanner if you sign up with TrueTrader using the link in my description, the video in the comment section. So just to go over some of the to review some of the alerts you got. Now it's not a lot here, but I think it's more about quality than quantity. So Fastly in the morning, it said to go long. Scanner said to go long at 6:31:18, and if we look at 6:31, the top, so it would alert me right around here. But there's some other criteria which I've turned off some of the charting functions, but I would have got in right around, let's say, 81.75 area. Might have even waited for 81.20 depending on the situation. The price action really depends a lot, but so you can see that you bought at the bottom and you would have sold, hopefully at the top. But part of the strategy is to take a 50% retracement from the total move. So in this case, we had a total move of $2.78. So you're thinking roughly, a dollar, let's say 25. I always kind of round down. So that would be, maybe we'll do $1.40 or something for my first exit. So I would have got in right here and maybe taken this for about $1, depending on where I got in. And then I would have left the rest off for maybe to hold off at VWAP or a moving average or some other kind of criteria, whatever you feel comfortable for, or wait for it to start turning around and then sell here. But still pretty good profit, maybe like $1.70, $1.50 on the second portion. So that's, one for one. RKT, and we're also looking at volume action too. So we don't want something that's too light in volume. But RKT, at the same minute, if you didn't catch that one, or if you could catch both of them, you could have take that long at 6:31. So at 6:31, you can see here, it would alerted me later on in the minute. So it definitely would have been somewhere down here. And for total retracement of the top to the bottom, $1.72, I kind of round that down to say, about, let's say 80 cents. And that was almost perfect 80 cents. So if you didn't take it partial at the top and it didn't shake you out, it eventually did work out. So I'd call this, a winner in that regard. And then PLCE at the 31, almost the 32 marker right here, it based right about there. So you had plenty of time to get an order in. And this one was pretty good in volume. So I would have taken this one. Not too sure what the price action was doing or the gap at the time, but I look at all those things. So it's kind of hard to tell when it's live. But yeah, this would have had a 50% retracement, so about, let's say 40 cents. Could have sold out. It's a pretty cheap stock, so you can buy a lot of shares, and 40 cents can go a pretty long way. Ross T, I believe, this one I don't think my broker allows me to short. Let me just check. Yeah, it does. Okay, so Ross T at 32 mark, right about here, towards the high. It would have alerted me towards the end of the candle. So I would have had time to get in right around here. And again, we got about $1.27 move. So we're looking at about a 50, 60 cent retracement, which it definitely eventually gave that and then some. But this one actually is on the threshold of where I don't trade in volume. I try to get over 10,000, but depending on the price action or the float between the buy and the sell, I will ignore the stocks. This one might have been ignored. And then RL was the last one. The market's still open, so I might get more, but it's kind of a light morning. So this was alerted at 6:34, but really light action. I wouldn't have taken this, and very gappy. So yeah, that's kind of my review of my scanner, but it's based off the TrueTrader method. And also there was a bunch of alerts that came through in the morning, of course, with the TrueTrader scanner. I didn't take any trades today. I just didn't see setups either in time, or I was looking at their scanner and not mine, so I missed these two in the morning. It's pretty quick. The idea is to get done within the first 15 minutes to an hour. It just didn't happen for me today, which is okay, because I look for maybe 2 or 3 really good trades a week, A+ setups, and that does it for me. So, all right, I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, if you haven't checked out TrueTrader, or if you have seen the webinar and you're ready to purchase the annual subscription, watch my review video. I'll put a card up here in the top right and take a look. All right, take care. Bye.